a review of this custom made for me python skirt and vest and arm pieces and hat and bag. Okay, so don't come for me. This came from Africa when I moved over here more than 2 decades ago, and I had it custom made into different outfits because I had a bunch of python skins. And then the shoes are Prada, python and black leather. Actually, I think it's snakeskin and black snakeskin boots. I'm sure you guys remember when it was on the runways. And I think the boots go very well with the python, even though there is a slight difference in color. I don't think it's that noticeable. And then when you have different skins, you know, they have slight differences in color, because I'm sure you can tell this color is not exactly the same color as this, and this is a little bit darker than this. And they were dyed in Africa, so they use natural dye. So those are not as uniform as synthetic dyes, but I like them better like that. So this is the look, and you know, I really like this bag. I've actually worn this bag to work with this outfit, and I actually wore a Donna Karan black bodysuit under the vest. Okay, I love this fabulous stay at the shoulders. I think it's very elegant. It reminds me of what is seen on the runways. I don't want to put pictures, you know, because I don't want somebody to say that I claim their pictures, but you know, they are seen in the runways. If I can find it on YouTube, I can attach the link to my description. And so you can see the natural pattern of the python, which I think is very, very elegant and very, very beautiful. Now, let's talk about comfort. The vest is okay. I mean, I can move and possibly dance in them, okay? The skirt is stiff. I think you can tell that it's a little bit stiff because it's python, and it's the way that they made the skirt. They try to use the flow of the python in making the skirt. So it's a little bit stiff and it's not very fitted. You can see the give here. Look. Okay, so I would have preferred if it were a little bit fitted, but because of the way the python is, if it were fitted, I don't know that I could really move in them. But all in all, I like the look, and it's a timeless piece that I can have in my closet forever. It's been in my closet forever. So I decided to go ahead and vlog it for you all. So comment down below and let me know what you think of the outfit, and comment down below, because I'm gonna try and do a few more of the python outfits, and you guys can watch them and comment down below and let me know what you think of them. So yeah, this is the look. And I do hope that you guys love these videos, and do go ahead and follow me on Instagram at fashionista.professor, and on Twitter at fashionista.professor, and hopefully on Patreon at fashionista.professor. I'm going to have the details in the description below. And so without further ado, let me go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor modeling showcasing of this outfit. So music, hit it! so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. I hope you enjoyed the vlog as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. I hope you all are finding a happy place. I hope you all are keeping safe. And for me, this is my form of escapism when the stress of research and current events get to me. I sort of escape by coming to vlog for you all. So I hope you guys enjoy it, because I really do enjoy it. And I enjoy, especially when I vlog fashions from my closet that I haven't worn in forever. It's always fun to go ahead and vlog it for you all and see what it looks like again, because sometimes I have so many clothes I don't even know what they look like, and some of them I haven't even worn. But anyway, it's always a pleasure to vlog for you all. It's always a pleasure to share my fashions with you all. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And so till next time I upload the vlog, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog, so that you won't miss any of my vlogs. And so till next time when I upload another video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your comments, and do please keep them PG-13 and keep them polite, okay? Until next time that I upload another vlog, thank you. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que merda.